That's the one I was talking about, so.
Yep.
The backwater valve here. The
storm.
drain. Yeah, they get these two drains up. The drain. The drain there. And they got one on that side too. So that one's the one that's water valves underneath there. Basically, you got a bathroom there. And here now is where you have. You got your shut-offs for this bathroom right here, along with the
Risers.
no, there's no risers upstairs. You have an irrigation here. Just the hot and cold, and the recirc valves are in here for this bathroom.
Okay.
But there's an irrigation here. I don't have the key on me, but the shut off is here. There's also a drawer off if they want to drain it. At the bottom of the leg of this pipe that goes out. So
The vacuum breaker's just outside, the backflow's outside.
the backflow is right here.
Oh, that's it.
Yeah. So this is the backflow for the
Irrigation.
pump right in the ceiling here, right above your head. There's a pump. It pumps for that irrigation out there. So it comes off of the domestic, goes through the backwater into the pump, and then down and out to the
Okay.
building. What I was saying is there's a drawer off in that panel and the shut off to it for out that goes outside.
Right.
The pump has two shut offs right before it. There's a shut off of the main.
Why did they put a pump? They didn't have enough volume?
I don't know.
Probably not.
Probably not.
Right.
Although they have really good pressure here.
Yeah.
It's like 72.
Yeah.
The pressure here is probably one of the best I've ever seen anyway.
Yeah,
72 to 74 they have here. Yeah, so I'm not sure what the reasoning was. It was a change on that. They added a pump.
Yeah.
So probably they wanted more pressure for outside, I would guess. That's the only reason. I don't think they don't always typically put a pump in.
No, not irrigation, no.
His eye wash, this was probably the drain designed for it, but obviously, common sense, I put it over in there. Something that showed up on the punch list. I piped it over there because I didn't really know where they wanted it. So,
Right.
But that's where I ended up putting it now anyway.
Yep.
But there's a bunch of pipes behind this wall. The grease vent and everything for the kitchen waste is behind this wall and going up. There's a storm drain that comes down from upstairs, from the gym down, and then goes out here. Actually goes right here and then turns and comes down. That is actually the clean out for that drain, that roof drain.
Okay.
So I mean, it's routed from that corner through here, and then down there. And there's another one on the opposite side over there.
Yeah.
Same exact drain on the opposite side of the buildings. They have two roof drains on that. So as you clean out for that, you may keep an eye on those for sure. They only replace so much of the existing part of it, so I know that will probably.
If we have a problem, probably won't be pulling this one to get washed away. It's,
Well, they
how
have.
many floors are over?
Well, there's only the gym, but this in that rise that goes up to the.
Okay.
But right in here is probably where you would to go. That's the drain to the house. That's the one. That floor clean out right there.
Yeah.
If you have an issue,
That's the one.
that's to where I would go.
All right.
Okay. This is all. So I believe it is. This one is also an end clean out to that drain. It kind of comes together here, exits out this way.
Yeah.
Right, but a lot of this piping that was here has been here since the 70s, so it didn't go through it or nothing. We did replace from the backwater valve into where I tightened it from outside. We had to put new drains in because they were forced to. It was all disintegrated. So that's that.
Yeah.
That's why I would say just keep an eye on that. think you'll have any problems, but
I hope not.
I think you'll be good, but you never know. If something, you know what I mean, you know how it is.
Yep.
So if there ever is. Up in here, so we got on the gas, up in here, there's the gas main plug garbage, right there actually. It's tagged, that will shut down this whole thing here, yeah, but each one has its own gas cock on it. Basically, you got filters here.
Yep.
You got some 3M filters. One of them's actually a sediment trap. The small one's actually a sediment, and the other one's the filter.
Yeah.
On these. The small one's a sediment filter, and the other one's a filter. Yeah. And pretty easy. You got some extra water lines there. In here is there's some vent work up above. There's a condensate drain in that corner. That's the vent for it.
Okay.
I don't see anything going in it, but there is a drain over there for condensate. I don't know
Alright.
what they did with that.
You know?
That's a clean out. That's a vent.
Okay.
So that's a vent.
Yeah.
They probably did. They didn't need to get on it.
Yeah.
So over here you got big pan drain.
Yeah.
Pretty basic on that. Valves for everything is in the ceilings for everything. Yeah, you got the valves in that part, and then each part there's a set actually. They're a little bit hard to get to, but on the end of this wood, it shuts off this wall.
Okay.
Right, they're a little hard to get to, but there are valves
Gotcha.
for this.
Yep.
And all the other valves for the bathroom I told you is in that seal, and everything else is in that ceiling down there. Yeah, I mean, like I said, there's this drain. Yeah, see, this is the drain here. That comes from upstairs.
Yep.
Any questions in this area? You got a water line, a couple of faucets on the end of each of these serving lines, and then a drain for the serving line. New air place for that.
There's as-built on this, right?
Yes, correct.
Yeah. Once I can see it all, I have a better idea.
Yeah, for sure you
They're
will.
all very accurate, you know?
Yeah.
Yeah.
We'll go upstairs and go to the gym. We'll walk down to that